All of my files related to specific videos are put into folders formatted with 3 numbers and a keyword. I use this format to label all of my folders, whether they be folders for web-based files like Google Sheets or whether they be on my local hard drive. In Google Drive, I have one master folder for my channel called Orderly. Within this folder, there are 3 subfolders: Reference, Video Archive, and Idea Bank. Every time a new video idea is conceived, I create a new workbook based on a video production checklist template. I've linked it below as a freebie. These workbooks live in my Idea Bank folder. The title of the workbook is serialized with 3 numbers and a keyword. Once I've decided on a video that I want to produce, that workbook gets moved out of the Idea Bank and then into the master folder. In other words, my master channel folder only has files related to videos that I'm currently working on. Canva is the software I currently use for thumbnails. Every project in Canva is correlated to one video idea, and that one project has all of the thumbnail iterations I have developed. Again, each video idea is created as a project and titled serially with 3 numbers and a keyword. On my computer, I have a folder for all my files related to my YouTube videos, and it's called Orderly. Within Orderly, I have an assets folder and one folder for each video project in progress. Now here's a little tip. I intentionally label the assets folder with an exclamation mark so that the folder always jumps to the top when sorted alphabetically. Each video project is labeled in the same format: serialized with 3 numbers and a keyword. Every video in progress will contain folders for my A-roll, B-roll, voiceover, PNGs, thumbnails, and shorts, if applicable. General tips. My folders are always named the same. I organize my folders numerically for easy retrieval. Each video file starts with a number. The purpose of this is for me to quickly see the number of videos that I've produced. This is important to me because I have a goal of completing 100 videos before reassessing whether I want to continue or quit creating YouTube content. Another general tip is that I name all of my files and folders in all caps for more visual uniformity. My eyes appreciate uniformity. My title says 10 months in, and this is true because I began creating and banking content on July 1st, 2024. I launched my channel approximately 2 months after, on September 27th, 2024. And even within those 2 months, my method of organization for my content had already been modified. Other acknowledgements: my channel is primarily long form, and all of my shorts are edited clips from my long form videos. I am not claiming that my system is the most efficient because I'm still a newbie to video production, but it is effective for me. I'm also confident that this system will evolve. It will be modified as my skills continue to develop and as my learning grows.